Okay, I'm done with the preamplifier repair. So right now the next step is working on the power amplifier. Right now I hook up the scope to the speaker output here, and then I have the power on, and let me turn on the volume. So something wrong, so I need to repair. Both channels have problem there. They are all both not working right now. For the amplifier, the power amplifier not working, the first thing you have to check is the power transistor. You can see there's a pair of transistor here. It's 2SD 217. So as long as we check this transistor, then we will know do we have any defective power transistor or not. Okay, to check the power transistor, I usually just check the case, the steel case of the transistor. This is the where the collector is. So I'm going to check this one here, 66.5. It's close to what we have on the schematic. And then this is in the output here, 28.6. So the right side is pretty close what we have in the I'm showing the schematic. On the left side, 65.4, and then 66.5. So this side may be defective. I need to take the PCB out and check the transistor. So on the left channel, maybe the power transistor is bad, but I have to check it. I just check the power transistor from PCB here, and it show the transistor are okay. So there's something wrong. To check the component inside. Okay, I took out both channels, and first I checked the right channel here, and because the voltage on the output close to the schematic, so I believe the transistors are okay. So I replace all this capacitor here, and let's see how they turn out. I put right channel back right now, and let me turn on the volume here. So the right channel is working right now. So the next step, I'm going to do the repair on the left channel. So the right channel, I just recap, and it works right now. All these capacitors are so new. There's the old one here. Okay, on the left channel, I already recap the capacitor, and because I switched the power transistor from left to right and right to left, but it's still not working. So the next step I'm going to try is to replace this driver and see if work. Sometimes the tester shows good, but eventually bad already, kind of like the one I replaced on the preamplifier. That edge here is 08 is bad, but cannot tell from the tester. So I'm going to change this driver right now. I just tried to replace this one, but it doesn't work. So I'm going to move to next one here. It's H752 here. And 752 is right here. Okay, I just took out the 752 and it show. Okay, this transistor shows a dial, so one side is open right now. So this is the bad transistor here. Yeah, so I think I replace this one here, H752. Should be okay. Let me try it. Before I put it in the H752, I'm doing a test for the transistor. Make sure they're okay. I think this one should work. Okay. Okay, after I replace this transistor H752 and everything work right now, let me turn on the volume. And this is the left channel. And this is the right channel. Sounds pretty good. So on this project, I have replaced all the light bulb inside, and we kept both channel, and then fixed the preamplifier, and also I replaced transistor H752 here. So both channel, power amplifier and preamplifier all working right now. Sounds pretty good too.